Your postal address is about to get a digital upgrade. In a move set to revolutionize how India navigates addresses, the Indian Postal Department has officially said goodbye to the traditional 6-digit PIN code and unveiled its game-changing successor, the 10-digit DigiPin. Gone are the days of vague postal zones, DigiPin zeros on your doorstep with pinpoint accuracy down to within 4 meters. Whether you are living in a crowded urban colony or a hut in the hills, this digital breakthrough ensures postal precisions like never before. From broad zones to pinpoint precision, since 1972, the classic PIN code has served us well. But in today's GPS-driven world, it simply can't keep up. A traditional PIN code might stretch across hundreds of square kilometers, but DigiPin drills it down to your front door gate. It is your home's unique encrypted identity, no confusion, no missed deliveries. And the implications? Massive. Life-saving precision, e-commerce boost, rural inclusion. This isn't just about letters and parcels with DigiPin. Ambulances will know exactly where to go. Fire departments can reach you faster in a crisis. Online orders won't end up 3 streets away. Remote and rural homes get an equal place on India's digital map. DigiPin has been crafted with the technological might of IIT Hyderabad, NRSC and ISRO. It's not just a code, it's a space-age solution rooted in homegrown innovation. How to find your DigiPin? Ready to claim your digital addresses? It's simple. Visit tac.indiapost.gov.in. Click on your location on the interactive map. Instantly receive your unique 10-digit DigiPin. Even better, DigiPin works offline, meaning you are always locatable even in areas with spotty internet. What you need to know right now. DigiPin is active. India Post has started rolling it out. It's voluntary now but could become mandatory soon for logistics, emergency services and e-commerce. Old PIN codes won't vanish overnight, but DigiPin is the future and early adopters will be better positioned. The future is digital and it's already here. In a world moving rapidly toward hyperconnectivity and smart infrastructure, India's address system just leaped ahead of the curve. The introduction of DigiPin is not just about efficiency, it's about empowerment. So the next time you share your address, don't just give a landmark, give your DigiPin, mark your place in digital India.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.